Introducing to you Thermo King SV-800 Undermount. High performance, improved evaporator, new condenser platform, Thermo King robust compressor. Undermount features: compact and space-saving, durable construction, high capacity, cooling performance, easy to service to reduce downtime. Equipped with a side guard, sturdy and secure. Facilitated with side door. Robust and durable craftsmanship by Monzone. Multi-lidded door gasket that is flexible and durable. 16.5 feet Monzone Insulated Container. Lock door stopper with back door spring. Waterproof switches. Waterproof LED light for night operations. Thermo King evaporator with higher efficiency and airflow. Airflow rate up to 3,000 cubic meters per hour. Meat hanging system. Quick interlocking system. Secure easily and quickly. Antibacterial curtain with anti-black mold features. Sliding antibacterial curtain. Sidewall protector made of stainless steel flat sheet. Embossed checkered plate flooring made of stainless steel. For more information, please do not hesitate to contact us.